Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. A prominent businessman and Secunda Holdings founder, Kudakasi Takwirei, has opened up about a recent health scare that saw him undergo major surgery. Speaking at a church service, Takwirei revealed that he underwent a 4-hour gallbladder operation during which he was placed in a medically induced coma. The businessman said the experience had reminded him of the importance of family, adding that the first person he wanted to see after waking up was his wife. Takwirei, who is also involved in various philanthropic and business initiatives across the country, said he was grateful to the medical team and to God for his recovery. The Secunda Holdings founder has in recent years been a key player in Zimbabwe's energy, agriculture and infrastructure sector. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.